Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we will introduce the latest firmware update for the SIYI Tracking Module 2 and show you how to perform the firmware upgrade. Before starting the firmware upgrade, you will need to prepare the following tools and equipment: a battery, an SD card, a card reader, and a computer. These items need to be prepared by the user. First, insert the SD card into the card reader and connect it to your computer. Before performing the firmware upgrade for the first time, the SD card needs to be formatted, and the file system should be set to FAT32. Next, download the latest firmware package for the SIYI Tracking Module 2 from the SIYI official website. After the download is complete, extract the compressed file and copy the .bin firmware file from the module firmware folder to the root directory of the SD card. Be careful not to change the file name. Then insert the SD card containing the firmware file into the SIYI Tracking Module 2 module and connect a battery to power it on. The AI Tracking Module 2 uses an SH1.254 pin power interface, with the other end being an XT30 connector. After powering on the module, wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. The module will automatically start flashing the firmware. This update brings several practical new features. First, a target detection count function has been added, allowing the system to display the number of detected objects in real time. This helps users with monitoring and data analysis. Second, a target filtering function has been introduced, enabling users to select specific types of objects for recognition according to their needs, improving both recognition efficiency and user experience. In addition, the system now supports configuring the AI Tracking Module's network parameters through the UniGCS app, making network setup much more convenient. A log system has also been added, allowing users to view log information for easier troubleshooting and system debugging. Once the upgrade is complete, the firmware file on the SD card will automatically disappear, indicating that the firmware has been successfully written. Finally, remove the SD card, insert it back into the card reader, and connect it to the computer to verify that the firmware version has been updated to the latest version 1.1.0. Confirming that the upgrade is complete. That concludes the firmware upgrade process for the SIYI Tracking Module 2. Thank you for watching. This is the World Drone Market channel, and we'll see you in the next video.